I get to take a look at a lot of very cool Whistler renovations, but today we're touring one of the best small condo renos I've ever seen. This one bedroom plus loft townhome in Gondola Village at Whistler Creekside is going to blow your mind. Nestled in the birthplace of Whistler, which is Whistler Creekside, this Gondola Village townhome has been beautifully updated to bring you the finest finishes and comforts. The open concept layout fills with natural light, streaming through brand new windows, blending modern elegance with a cozy alpine charm that's perfect for weekends out of the city or full-time living. The kitchen is fully outfitted with high-quality stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher, making it perfect for home-cooked meals after a day on the slopes. And check this out. The dining table actually slides out from a hidden cabinet below the TV, giving you a nice touch of functionality. The bedroom is a masterpiece of integrated functionality with a full built-in cabinet surround, including integrated lighting. There's also underbed storage, as well as a large closet with storage cubbies and a washer dryer. The bathroom has been fully updated with a large glass shower complete with a rain head and also dual glass sinks set on a beautiful live edge countertop. Location? You can't beat it. Just steps from the Whistler Creekside Gondola, this townhome offers easy walking access to the Whistler Creekside Gondola and the mountain bike park. Plus, right across the street, you have the village at Whistler Creekside with its restaurants, liquor store, grocery store, shopping, and cafes. And right across the highway, it's a short walk to the beach at Alpha Lake Park, and the property comes with 2 parking spaces, so there's plenty of room for friends and family. With its Phase 1 zoning, this property is perfect for year-round living, a weekend escape, or even as an Airbnb revenue generator, so the choice is yours. So what do you think? Could this killer renovation in Gondola Village be your perfect Whistler retreat? Let me know in the comments, and if you're interested in seeing it in person, my number is down in the description below. I'd love to show you around. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.